Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about some of the developments that happened today, and a lot of them aren't on the front line. The first thing is an oil depot blew up in this area of Russia. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. I can't even read it. But it seems like it was caused by either Ukrainian saboteurs or Ukrainian drones, because there was a video of a Russian electronic warfare system causing one of the drones to collapse, but the other one definitely hit its target. The more Ukraine can target Russia's oil storage, the better, because they'll have less to send out economically, as well as have less to use in the actual war. I can't remember where I read this. I think it was the ISW. They said that Russia's using 40% of their GDP to fight and fund this war. So every little thing helps. The next thing is, in my last video, I said that Zaporizhzhia on the Kupiansk front was captured by Russia, but the Ukrainians denied this claim and said that fights are still ongoing inside of the settlement. I'm not sure if it's true, but there wasn't any footage that confirmed that the Russians had taken Zaporizhzhia so far. The next area I want to talk about is, if we're just going clockwise, I'll go with Prigozhin. The Russians have done a small assault here, taking over a gray zone area between two of the rivers that Ukraine was using as fortifications. It's likely that this is just a small improving positional move and not the start of some big offensive or anything. But the next and main thing is that Ukraine has a bunch of first-person vision drones with night vision that they're using to hunt for Russian equipment along the southern front line. They're doing this in the nighttime when most of the troops are sleeping to make this even more unexpected. Ukraine has really used drones to their advantage in the past year or so. They were striking the Russian Black Sea Fleet as well as some of the military targets inside of Russia as well. I think right now the Ukrainian military is probably the best military at using drones at the moment, just because of all the experience they've gotten. They've also created drones that blend in with the ground, that have a camera on them, and when they notice a vehicle coming their way, they'll fly up and then run into the vehicle, exploding and hitting the fuel tank. I need to make a whole video just talking about all the drones and drone production inside of Ukraine, but every Russian vehicle that they take off the front is a little bit less of a threat. I think it's estimated that Russia has about 1,300 tanks inside of Ukraine. If they're able to get 2 or 3 of those a day from the assaults, over time that's going to add up pretty strong. Today the Russians took 1,070 personnel losses, along with 10 tanks and 25 armed personnel vehicles. There were some rumors that Zelensky fired the commander-in-chief Zalužny, but this was confirmed to not be true by Zelensky himself. Alright, and that's all I got for you guys today. A little bit of a shorter video, but hopefully I just got to the point. Also, I've seen in my comments that people are asking me where reporting from Ukraine is. I think on his community channel he took a break and then said he got sick when he was going to come back. Back in October when he was inactive for a little bit, I sent him a message making sure he was okay, but I got ghosted into actual oblivion, so I'm not going to send him another one. But yeah, hopefully he'll be back soon. Alright, see you guys later.